Too simple. I like this little light fixture too.
I think this is the area you'll spend most of your time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we bought two really nice leather stoves. Can we get the leather ones?
Yeah, they have a leather base, but the wood matches.
The wood matches perfect.
Cabinets.
Put it right here. Nice little
Smartly having a TV outlet there too.
Yeah.
What's that?
But, well,
TV outlet.
we're banning TV on this level.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of our hangout room.
Okay.
Kids mess with
But
it.
you know what? You never know. While we're cooking, you might want to have a little TV stand there or something, watch some TV.
I like the microwave.
Yeah, got all the knobs, make sure none of them are nicked up or anything.
Yeah, I'm
They actually did a nice job of making most of these really flush against the ceiling too.
Yeah.
That's not a big